Good morning students. Today we are going to start Mathematics of Standard 7, Chapter number 2, Exercise 2.2. Which of the following drawings A to B show? Here the fractions are given and here the drawings are given. So what we have to do? We have to do matching. So first of all, let's see 2 into 1 upon 5. First of all, we have to see that it is 2 upon 5 because 2 ones are 2, it is 2 upon 5. So first of all, we have to see where the two pictures are. So here B and D. In B and D, two pictures are there. But we have to see that total 5 parts of that picture. So in which picture 5 parts are there? So in D, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So in D, two pictures are there in which 5 parts are there in both the pictures. So this numerator shows the shaded portion of the picture. So in this two pictures, one shaded portion is there. So our answer is B. So the answer of 1 is B. Then 2 into 1 by 2. So here 2 is given. So we have to see the two pictures and one portion shows that this numerator shows that one portion is the shaded portion. So here this is the answer and 2, it means total 2 parts are there. So in this drawing the answer is B. Then 3 into 2 upon 3. Now we have to see the 3 pictures in which 3 parts are the total parts of that picture. So here this is 3 pictures are there in which 3 portions are there. In each picture 3 portions are there and two portions are shaded. So answer is A. 3 into 1 upon 4. So here we have to see the 3 pictures and in which total 4 parts are there. So here in this picture 3 pictures are there and in that total 4 parts are there and one portion is the shaded portion in each picture. So here you can see 1 and 1. So total here 3 upon 4. So 1, 2 and 3 total 3 portions are shaded. So our answer is here C is the answer. So now come to the question number 2. Some pictures A to C are given below. Tell which of them show. So your first question is 3 into 1 upon 5. That is 3 ones are 3 upon 5. So in numerator it is 3 and the denominator it is 5. So we have to search the picture in which total 5 parts are there. So which of the picture in which 5 parts are there? So we have to find out. But here 3 is given. So we have to find out the 3 pictures in which total 5 parts are there. So here 3 pictures are there in which total 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 parts are there in each picture. And one portion of 3 pictures are shaded. So here 1 and here 1 and here 1. So in this 3 pictures one portion is shaded. So total 1, 2 and 3. So here total 3 pictures are. So this 3 number shows that in the numerator 3 is there. So in which out of 5 parts 3 portions are shaded. So answer this first number answer is C. Then second 2 into 1 upon 3 it means 2 upon 3. So in this the denominator 3 shows that total 3 parts of that picture. But 2 pictures are given. Here 2 is given. So 2 pictures are there in which one portion is shaded and total 3 parts are there. So here 3 parts are there. Total 2 pictures are given and in that 3 portions are there. And this one shows that the shaded portion. So here total 1 and 2. So total 2 portion are total, the 2 is in the denominator, so this 2 shows total 2 portions are shaded out of 3 portions. So our answer is A. And third one, 3 into 3 upon 4. It is given in a mixed fraction form, 2 1 upon 4. So here it means 2 4s are 8 and 8 plus 1, that is 9 upon 4. So here we have to find out the total 3 pictures. We have to find out the 3 pictures in which total 4 parts are there. So these are 3 pictures in which 1, 2, 3 and 4. Total 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Total 4 parts are there in which 3 portions are shaded. So 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2 and 3. So now we have to see that how much total portion are shaded. So it is given in the numerator 9. So let's see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So here it shows 9 upon 4. So our answer is B. So dear students, I hope you understand question number 1 and question number 2 very well. Now question number 3, multiply and reduce to lowest form and convert into mixed fraction. So here the question is given that we have to multiply this two number and reduce it to the lowest form, and then if answers come in improper fraction, then we have to convert it into mixed fraction. So here 7 into 3 upon 5 is given. So what we have to do first, 7 into 3 upon 5. Now first of all we have to multiply these two numbers. So 7 3s are, it is 21 upon 5. So here the numerator is bigger than denominator. So it comes in improper fraction. So we have to convert this into mixed fraction. So 5 4s are, it is 20. 1 is the remainder. So we have to write 5 in the denominator and this 1 remainder we have to write it upward, and this 4 we have to write it in a side. So our answer is 4 1 by 5. Next sum, 4 into 1 upon 3. So we have to multiply this 4 into 1, that is 4 upon 3. Again here numerator is bigger than denominator. So we have to convert this into mixed fraction. So 3 1s are 3, 1 is the remainder. So we have to write 3 in the denominator, and this 1 which comes in the remainder we have to write it upward, and this 1 we have to write it in a side. So our answer is 1 1 by 3. Then coming to the third question, 2 into 6 upon 7. So here 2 into 6 upon 7. So now 2 6s are, it is 12. So here we have to write 12 upon 7. So now we have to convert this in the mixed fraction form because the numerator is greater than denominator. So divide 12 by 7. So here 7 1s are, it is 7. So here it is 5 is the remainder. So we have to write 7 in the denominator, and this 5 we have to write it upward, and this 1 we have to write it in a side. So if you want to check this, then 7 1s are 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So it comes 12 upon 7. So you have to check it, write that 7 into 1, that is 7, 7 plus 5, that is 12. So it is 12 upon 7. So now coming to the question number 4, 5 into 2 upon 9. So here 5 into 2 upon 9. So here we have to multiply 5 into 2. So it is 5 2s are 10 upon 9. So now here numerator is greater than denominator. So we have to convert this into mixed fraction. So now 9 1s are 9 here. Okay. So 10 minus 9, that is 1. So now here we have to write 9 in the denominator, and this 1 remainder we have to put it upward, and this 1 we have to write it in a side. So our answer is 1 1 by 9. Fifth question, 2 by 3 into 4. So here we have to multiply this 2. It is 2 4s are 8 upon 3. Again numerator is bigger than denominator, so we have to convert this into mixed fraction. So 3 2s are, it is 6. So 2 is the remainder. So here we have to write 3 in the denominator, and this 2 remainder we have to write in upper, and this 2 we have to write in a side. So our answer is 2 by 3. Then 6 number, 5.2 into 6. So we have to write 5.2 into 6. Here look, we have to cut it because it's in a cross multiplication. So we have to write 2 ones are and 2 3s are 6. So we cut it down, that is 2 ones are and 2 3s are 6. Now 5 into 3, that is 15. So here our answer is 15. Now coming to the question number 7, 11 into 4 upon 7. So it is 11 4s are 44 upon 7. So now we have to convert this into mixed fraction form because numerator is greater than denominator. So if 7 6 are, it is 42. So here 2 is the remainder. So here we have to write 7 in the denominator. This 2 remainder we have to write it upper, and this 6 we have to write it in a side. So our answer is 6 2 by 7. Then 8 number, 20 into 4 upon 5. So here we have to do cutting because it is possible to do cutting. So we have to do cutting. So 5 ones are 5, 5 4s are 20. So here 4 4s are, it is 16. So here our answer is 16. The 9 number, 13 into 1 upon 3. So here 13 ones are, it is 13 upon 3. So here numerator is bigger than denominator. So we have to convert this. So 3 4s are, it is 12. So here 1 is the remainder. So here we have to write 3 in the denominator. This remainder we have to write it upward, and this 4 we have to write it in a side. So our answer is 4 1 by 3. Now 10 number, it is 15 into 3 upon 5. So here cutting is possible. So 5 ones are 5, 5 is 15. So here 3 into 3, it is 9. So here we completed our question number 3. So now question number 4, 1 by 2 of the circle in a box A. So here we have to shade the portion which is given here. So here the portion are given, but we have to find out how many circles we have to shade. So first of all, let's count the circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So total 12 circles are there, and 1 by 2 of the circles. So here we have to write total number of circles is equal to 12. Now we have to shade the 1 by 2 of the circle. So here 1 by 2 of the circle. So here 1 by 2 of it means here we have to do multiply. Here we have to write 12 because 1 by 2 of the circle. So total 12 circles are there. So 1 by 2, here 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12. So our answer is 6. So here we have to shade 6 circles. We have to shade the 6 circles. So here you can shade any of the 6 in this box. 1, 2, this 3, 4, 5 and this 6. So here you can shade any of the 6 circle in the given box. So now question number 2, 2 by 3 of the triangle in the given box. So here how many triangles are given? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So here we have to write total number of triangles. So it is equal to 9. Now we have to shade a 2 by 3 portion of the given triangle. So 2 by 3 of the triangles. So 2 by 3 into 9. So here 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. 2 3s are, it is 6. So here also we have to shade the 6 triangles in the given box. So you can do any of the 6 triangle. This 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now question number 3, 3 by 5 of the square in box. So let's count the square in the given box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So total number of squares which are given in the box are 15. So here we have to write total number of square is equal to 15. Now we have to shade a 3 by 5 portion of the total square. So here 3 by 5 of the square. So 3 by 5 into 15. 5 ones are 5 threes are. So it is 9. 3 threes are, it is 9. So we have to shade it 9 square in the given box. You can do any of the 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So dear students, here we completed up to question number 4. I hope you understand it very well. So keep practicing. Thank you so much.